Today we're gonna be working on Leetcode question number 59, spiral matrix 2. So you are given a positive integer n, generate an n cross n matrix filled with elements from 1 to n square in spiral order. So if we have been given n is equal to 3, we're gonna be returning 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 4, and then 7, 6, 5. And if n is equal to 1, which is gonna be returning 1. So basically in this case, in this the algorithm is gonna be that you have to think how a spiral matrix is printed. So we know that first is gonna be the first row, then we're left with 8, 9, 4, 7, 6, 5. So we have to uh, remove the last element, and then we're gonna reverse the matrix, and we'll do like that. So basically the algorithm is however it's printed, we're gonna be returning those elements. So we're gonna initialize our matrix uh, by filling everything with null. So but like basically this matrix is n cross n matrix with all of them as nulls. And then we're gonna be setting our direction as 0 1 in stating that this is the going towards right, 1 0, which means it's going towards left, 0 -1, which means that it is going uh, it is going like down, and -1 0, which means it is going up. So right, so basically right, then we're gonna go down. Oh, I'm sorry, no, yeah, right, and then down, and then left, and then up. So no, I was wrong. So basically 0 1 is right, 1 0 is down, left is 0 -1, and -1 0 is up. And the steps is gonna be n to n minus. Basically the steps is either n and then n minus 1. We're gonna initialize our num equals to 1. Direction initially is gonna be 0. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to -1. So we're gonna calculate the steps. The steps is gonna dictate our like, so basically we're gonna end up having either the step of 0. So direction is initially 0. We're gonna take the modulus of 2. If that is greater than 0, then we have a few things to do. Otherwise we're gonna be so initially it's gonna be the basically, so steps, direction, modulus of 2. If it is greater than 0, then we're gonna so what is going on here is like, um, we have our I equals to 0, and then the I is gonna be less than the, as long as the I is less than the steps, which has actually two elements. It has n and n minus 1. So in case of 3, it has 3 and then 2. So we wanna make sure that first of all, we already said that our steps uh, of the direction of modulus of 2. So initially the direction is 0, so we are basically saying that the steps of 0, which is equal to n, so in this example it's 3. If it is greater than 0, then what we're going to be doing is like we're going to be iterating through like we're going to have a for loop where we're going to be coming up with the x and the y. Basically there is going to be the direction in which we want to move. So initially it is going to be uh, to the right, and then to the bottom, and then to the left, and then to the top, like that. So we're going to say that the matrix of xy is equal to the num plus plus. So basically we know that we started the num as 1, so we're going to know we're going to be counting. So in the first step it's going to our matrix of xy is going to have 1 2 and then 3. Okay, then what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna decrement the steps. So basically, if it was 3 at the beginning, then it's gonna become 2, and then we're gonna say that the direction is gonna switch, because we have 4 directions. Every single time we're gonna add 1 to the direction and take the modulus of 4, so that it switches between 1 2 3 sorry 0 1 2 3. So as long as we're just doing that, it's gonna automatically keep changing the direction, which is gonna change the value of the x and y, and we will be actually moving in a spiral direction. Yep, and that passed all the test cases.